Ito na nga, magkaroon tayo ng quick tour sa engine room namin. So konting explanation na rin para sa mga newly graduate na marine engineers. So we have steering gear room. Ano nga ba meron dito? If main engine failed, you can manually steer the ship here. So from port side to starboard or midship. And then we have CO2 room. So this is our fixed firefighting fire extinguishing equipment in the engine room. So we have reefer provision compressor. So we have 1 and 2. And then emergency fire pump. So that's why it's separated as per SOLAS. In case there's a fire in the engine room, you can use this as alternative gas pump. So akit naman tayo ngayon. And then ang susunod naman natin is yung reefer provision chamber. Dito namin ini-store ang mga pagkain namin like meat, vegetables, fruits, etc. para ma-maintain ang temperature at hindi masira. And then para komportable tayo sa kabina, sa kwarto, we have air condition room. Ito nagpapalamig sa kwarto namin. We have centralized aircon. So meron din kami ditong bike para hindi lumaki yung tiyan namin. And then sa taas meron din kaming treadmill. So we have emergency generator. What is the use of this? So if the main diesel generator failed, this automatically start about 10 to 20 seconds. And then the next is our purifier. So this device used to